How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get a deep voice step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So with deep voice, what you want to do, and this is something that I did to help my voice get deeper, is you want to make sure that you breathe in through the stomach. Breathe in and out through the stomach. I'm going to show you guys how. So normally when you breathe, your chest, your diaphragm raises. What we want to do is when we breathe in and out, we want to do it with our stomach. This actually makes your voice deeper. So if you watch, when you take a big breath, watch your chest. It should raise. So that's exaggerating, but again, you get the point. So just watch. See how my chest rises, then it falls. What you want to do, try doing this. I do exercises, I do a workout. What you want to do is take your hand, put it on your stomach. Now, when you do this, your hand should move forward and back, and your chest should not rise. So it should be like this. Notice my hand's moving, my chest is not. So that's 3, we'll do a little workout. That's 10 reps. Now that's good. If you practice doing that, by practicing breathing like that, you don't have to do that all the time. Just doing exercises like that works really, really well for getting your voice deeper. Now, I'm gonna show you another exercise. This is something that I learned when meditating. I do lots of meditation. We wanna practice taking deep breaths, and we wanna practice raising our diaphragm. So just basically raising your chest. So do this. That's 3 deep breaths. I only recommend doing 3 at a time. Once you've done 3, take a 2 to 3 minute break. The reason why I only recommend doing 3, and this is what they say when you start meditating, is taking lots of deep breaths will actually make you lightheaded. So you don't want to do that. Only take 3 deep breaths, wait 2 to 3, 4 or 5 minutes, whatever, and then continue on. Do maybe 2 to 3 sets, and then do, again, 2 to 3 sets of the 10 reps with your hand on your stomach, breathing in and out through the stomach. This is how you get a deeper voice, you guys. It works. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching.